In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your first email campaign in Omnisend for your WooCommerce store, even if you've never sent one before. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're running a WooCommerce store and not emailing your customers yet, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. But the good news is you don't need to be a copywriter or designer to send a clean, high-converting campaign. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your WooCommerce store to Omnisend, set up your first promotional email, and get it out the door fast without overthinking it. So first off, what is Omnisend and why use it? Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform made specifically for e-commerce stores. Unlike general email tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, Omnisend is built with features you'll actually use as a store owner, like product blocks, cart recovery, discount codes, and automated workflows tied directly to your inventory. It's designed to integrate really seamlessly with WooCommerce, Shopify, and BigCommerce, so you can start sending campaigns that connect to your products in just a few clicks. So if you're launching a sale, promoting a product, or just want to remind people that you're open for business, this is going to guide you step by step. So step one, you need to sign up for Omnisend. To sign up for Omnisend, use our exclusive link in the description below. If you use that link, you can actually save 30% off your first 3 months, so it's there if you need it. And you can get started with the free plan. The free plan gives you everything you need to get started, like email campaigns, sign up forms, automations, and even product recommendations, and then you can upgrade later as your list grows. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and click start now, and then you can get signed up with Shopify, Google, or email. So if you want to get signed up with email, you can just type in your business email, a password, and then you want to make sure you're selecting e-commerce. You want to agree, and then you can sign up for their newsletter if you want to, and then click sign up. So obviously you do have to have a WooCommerce store in order to connect it to WooCommerce. So if you also do not have a WooCommerce, we have a link down below where you can get a really great deal, saving 73% off WooCommerce hosting. If you already have one set up, then all you have to do is go ahead and go to store settings. You can go to connected store, and then right here is where you will go ahead and follow their instructions. It's very simple and easy to use. All you'll have to do is, again, select WooCommerce. Then you can follow steps to install the Omnisend plugin directly inside the dashboard, activate the plugin, and authenticate the connection between your store and Omnisend. You only need to do this once, and after that, everything runs in the background. Now, step number 3 is to create a new campaign. So now that your store is connected, what we're going to do is go ahead and go to the campaign section. We'll go ahead and click create campaign. We can do an email, an A/B test, an SMS, a push notification. We'll go ahead and go to create email. Now what we'll want to do is go ahead and add the subject line. So maybe this is Black Friday sale or something like that. You can add last chance to get the best deals all year. Campaign name can be Black Friday promo day 10, whatever it may be. Okay, we'll go ahead and go to choose email template. Then you can choose a template. They have so many good ones here. So you also can filter over here. So if you want to just see the welcome and engage, promote products, announce a sale, which is what we're going to use, offer a discount, you also can do that too. You also can look by type, fashion and lifestyle, automation, business and finance, miscellaneous. So let's go ahead and use this template. So now what we want to do is edit this. You obviously want to put in your own branding and stuff like that. But as you can see over here, you can add different elements. You just drag and drop them in, like any text, image, logo, menu, etc. And then here are some saved elements if you have any, but here's the products. So here you can see there's a personalized product recommender. So the recipient sees product suggestions based on their past engagement, which is really cool. You can also do standard product recommendations like best-selling products or recently added. So all you'll do is drag that in as well. And then if you want to add any images, you can. You can also add a header and other content as well, and then a footer. If you want to edit any of this stuff, again, they make it really easy to navigate. So if you wanted to add a new item, you can remove. If you want to change any of these, you can, and then you can adjust all of the links over here as well. Again, there's a bunch of buttons here. You can customize anything and everything. So again, it's all drag and drop, very, very easy to navigate. So like I mentioned, with the product block, you can drag in product blocks and choose the items directly from your WooCommerce catalog. You can display 1 to 4 products with image, name, price, and a CTA button automatically pulled in. This just saves you so much time when you're creating these emails, and it just looks 10 times more professional. You also can add a short blurb explaining your offer, what makes your product special, keep it conversational. This isn't a sales letter, it's a note from you to your customer. customer. Just as an optional step, you can add a discount code or a countdown timer. So if you're running a time-sensitive promo, Omnisend has a countdown timer block that you can insert a discount code right into the email so customers don't forget to use it. So again, they make it very, very easy to use. So you can easily drag in the discount code and you can do it unique or static. Step number 5 is to preview and test. So once your email is designed, you want to click preview to see how it looks on desktop and mobile, and then we can click send test. So if you want to preview and test, we'll go ahead and click right here. This is what it looks like on desktop, and this is what it'll look like on mobile. So good. And then you can go ahead and send a test email. You'll just send it to whatever email you want, click send, and then from there, you can just make sure everything looks good. If anything feels off, fix it before sending. First impressions really count. Step number 6 is to choose your recipients. So since this is your first campaign, you'll probably be sending it to your full list. You can choose all subscribers unless you've already created segments, and then later you can segment based on purchase behavior, email engagement, location, custom tags like VIP, first time buyer. But for now, we'll just keep it simple and just send it to the whole list. And then we'll go ahead and click review. And then from here, what's also really cool about Omnisend is they have a campaign booster. So it'll automatically resend your campaign to subscribers who missed it initially. So this just really enhances your reach and enhances your open rates because they're retargeting recipients. Really cool. You can turn that on, and then you can edit the content if you would like, and you also can do an SMS booster as well. And then for the booster sending rules, you can send it to have not opened the email or have not clicked the email. And then you can determine when you would like to send it. So 48 hours after or whatever. Then you can always edit the subject line, etc. Edit the recipients here. You can send now or schedule later on. So all you do is select the date and time, and you also can do it based on your time zone, or if you have the subscriber's location, you can do it based on their time zone, which is cool too. So maybe you want it to be top of the inbox for everyone, so you send it at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. on Monday morning or something like that. Then all you do is click schedule campaign and you are good to go. Now step number 8 is to check results and plan what's next. So we'll go ahead and go to the dashboard and just go to overview. So this dashboard gives you a good overview of everything, but if you want to specifically see the results from a specific email campaign, you'll want to go directly to campaigns and then click on the email. You can check out link activity, you can check out contact activity, and you can see the time if they open it on desktop, whatever it may be. So it gives you a lot of great information that you can use as data to adjust how you move forward. So let's recap why Omnisend is such a solid fit for WooCommerce store owners. It syncs directly with your product catalog. It pulls in customer data and order history automatically. You can design and send your first email campaign in under an hour, honestly, way less than that. The product blocks, discount timers, and automation options are made for e-commerce, not just newsletters. Plus, it's affordable and beginner friendly with a generous free plan to get you started. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to quickly show you the different plans and pricing options for Omnisend. So like I said, if you use our link down below and use code CharlieChang30 at checkout, you can get 30% off for the first 3 months. So the way it works, as it does with most email marketing platforms, is it depends on how many contacts you have, but you can get started on the free plan like I said and just try it out, see how you like it. So I'm gonna start with the lowest amount just so you can kind of see. So the standard plan is best for growing and medium-sized business focused on email marketing, and this is $11.20 per month. If you pay for the 3 months upfront and save 30%, regularly it's $16 per month. But with this, you get 500 contacts, which is very generous compared to some other platforms, $1 in free SMS to try, 3,000 emails a month, unlimited web push notifications, a success manager, and 24/7 support. And then they've got a pro plan, which is $41.30 per month. And that's if you pay 3 months up front. So you're saving 30% if you do that. This is 2,500 contacts, global SMS, unlimited emails, unlimited web push notifications, success manager, 24/7 support, advanced reporting, and personalized product recommender. Plus you get a bonus SMS credit as well. So like I said, it all depends on how many contacts you have. So as this increases, so does the price. So I just wanted to make that note. But again, you can do a lot with the free plan and just go up from there when you need to increase the size as your list grows. So again, if you want to get started, I've left the link in the description below. Okay, you guys, that wraps up this video. I personally like Omnisend. I like the UI. I like the layout. I like how easy it is to use. And it's just so convenient how easily you can connect it to your store. You don't need to be fancy. You just need to show up in your customers' inboxes with value, consistency, and a clear offer. If this video helped, don't forget to to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find tools that make running your business so much easier without wasting time on strategies that don't work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.